in the previous class itself I gave introduction to this module. Okay, I gave introduction to this module, and we are going to continue the instantaneous center method. We are going to continue the instantaneous center method. In the previous class itself I told you about Arnold Kennedy theorem. That theorem is very important. Okay, if three links are connected with each other and they have relative motion between them, then it will have three instantaneous centers, and all the three instantaneous center will lie on same line. All the instantaneous center will lie on same line, and this formula also very important. Capital N equal to small n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, where capital N is the number of instantaneous center, where small n is the number of links. These things we have seen in the previous class. Also in the previous class I told you a simple method to draw this diagram. That I will explain now. Later we will solve a problem based on this method. Okay, so whenever you got a problem, for example, if you got a problem like 4-bar chain, and they have given the problem and they are telling you to find out the velocity of all the links using instantaneous center method. Okay, first of all you have to draw the 4-bar chain. First you draw the 4-bar chain A, B, C, D. This is a 4-bar chain. According to the dimension you have to draw the 4-bar chain. You can use scale, but the ratio should be same. Okay, you can use the scale, but the ratio should be same. So according to the dimension you have to draw 4-bar chain mechanism. After drawing a 4-bar chain mechanism, write this formula. Okay, write this formula. So capital N equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is 4. Okay, if you substitute 4 instead of n means you will get 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. The answer is capital N equal to 6. Capital N equal to 6. In this case we have 4 links: AB 1 link, BC 1 link, CD 1 link, AD 1 link. Okay, 4 links are there. Okay, so 4 into 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 here 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into 3 6. Okay, so the number of instantaneous center is 6. Now draw this tabulation. Okay, in the tabulation, in the top write 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is having 4 links, write the number of links 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is having 4 links, no? So write the number of links in the top of the table. Okay, first write this number 1, 2, 3, 4. After writing this, very simple, I will tell you, just remember it. Okay, it is having 6 number of instantaneous center, don't forget. After writing this, 1 and 2 together 1, 2, 1 and 3 together 1, 3, 1 and 4 together 1, 4. Okay, now 2, 1, 2 and 1 together 2, 1, but already you have written 1, 2, so you don't want to repeat that same center. Okay, you can move to next. 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4. Okay, now we will move to next one. 3, 1, already we have written here 1, 3, 3, 2, already we have written 2, 3, so we don't want to repeat it. Move to next. 3, 4, write it. Now for 4, link 4, 4, 1, already we have written 1, 4, 4, 2, already we have written 2, 4, so we don't want to write it again. 4, 3, already we have written 3, 4, so we don't want to repeat it again. So how many centers are here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got all the 6 centers. So we got all the 6 centers here. We got all the 6 centers here. Okay. Next. Draw a circle. Okay. Draw a circle. Radius of the circle, that is your wish. You just draw a circle, a small circle, but it should be very neat. Okay, dimension, that is your wish. Okay, draw a small circle and mark 4 points on the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a circle and mark 4 points on the circle. Okay, connect 1, 2. Connect 1, 2. connect 1 and 2 by this line. After connecting 1 and 2, where is 1, 2? This is 1 and this is 2. What is common to 1 and 2? Mark that point and write I12. So I12 over. Okay. Connect 1, 2. Mark this point and write I12 common to 1 and 2. Okay. Common to link 1 and link 2. So mark this point as I12. Okay. Now connect point 2 and 3. Connect point 2 and 3. Connect point 2 and 3. After connecting point 2 and 3, where is 2, 3? This is 2 and this is 3. So common to 2, 3. I23. So two centers has been marked. Now connect 3 and 4. Connect 3 and 4. So where is 3? This is 3. Where is 4? This is 4. 3 and 4. So common to this point. I34. Where is 3, 4? So 3, 4 is marked. Now connect 1, 4. Now connect 1, 4. After connecting 1, 4, where is 1, 4? This is 1, this is 4. So common to 1, 4. I14. Where is 1, 4? So 4 centers has been marked. Now we have remaining 2 centers. Okay, 1, 3 and 2, 4. Now connect 1 and 3 with dotted lines. Connect 1 and 3 with dotted lines. Connect 1 and 3 with dotted lines. Okay, I have connected 1 and 3 with dotted lines. Above this dotted line, there is a triangle. Okay, above this dotted line, there is a triangle. So in the triangle, what are the links there? 1, 2, 3. Above this triangle, above this dotted line, there is a triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle 1, 2, 3. Okay. So where is 1, 2? This is 1, 2. Right. Where is 2, 3? This is 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There is a triangle. Where is 1, 2? This is 1, 2. Where is 2, 3? This is 2, 3. So the 1, 3. This 1, 3 will be on this line. According to Arnold theorem, if there are 3 links means we will have 3 centers and all the 3 centers will be on the same line. So the third center will be on this line. On this line, it might be on the upward side or it might be on the downward side. I don't know where, but it will be on this line. The third center will be on this line. Okay. Similarly, on the downside, on this side of the dotted lines, one more triangle is there. On this side of the dotted line, one more triangle is there. What is the triangle? 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3 is a triangle. One more triangle. Okay, where is 1, 4? This is 1, 4. Okay, this is 1, 4. Where is 3, 4? This is 3, 4. So 1, 3 will be on this line. 1, 3 will be on this line, but I don't know where. So it will be on this line. Okay. So already I told 1, 3 will be on this line. Now also I am telling 1, 3 will be on this line. So both the lines joining here. So that is 1, 3. That is 1, 3. Erase the remaining lines. Erase the, here you have drawn the remaining lines. So erase this remaining portion. erase this remaining portion. So now we got I13. Now we got I13 at this place. So put a tick mark. I13. I13 is over. Right. Now we have to find out what is remaining. I24 is remaining. I24 is remaining. Now connect 214. Now connect 214. Now connect 214. Connect 2 and 4. After connecting 2 and 4, above 2 and 4 we got a triangle. Above 2 and 4 we got a triangle. What is the triangle? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 is the triangle. Okay, where is 1, 2? This is 1, 2. Cherry. Where is 1, 4? This is 1, 4. So where should be 2, 4? 2, 4 should be on this line. 2, 4 should be on this line. I don't know where it is. It should be on this line. It might be that side or this side, but it should be on this line. Okay, 2, 4 is on this line, but I don't know where it is. Okay. So on the bottom of this line, we got one more triangle. On the bottom of this line, we got one more triangle. On the bottom of this line, we got one more triangle. What is the triangle? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is the triangle. Now 2, 3. Where is 2, 3? So this is 2, 3. Where is 3, 4? This is 3, 4. This is 3, 4. So on this line, 2, 4 will be there. On this line, it will be on that side or on this side. I don't know. But this 2, 4 will be on this line only. According to Arnold kinetic theorem, 3 links, 3 centers, and all the centers on the same line. So here we have 2 centers. So the third center should be on this line. Okay. Already I have drawn a line to find out 2, 4. So now also I have drawn a line to find out 2, 4. So both the line meet at this point. And that is called as I24. So we got all the 6 centers. So this is how we have to find out the instantaneous centers. This is a very easy method. Once if you find instantaneous centers, after that you can easily solve the problem. So we got all the instantaneous centers. After getting all the instantaneous centers, so they will give the crank angular velocity they will give. If you know crank angular velocity means crank angular velocity is omega AB into AB. If you know crank angular velocity, we can find out the remaining angular velocity and velocities. Okay. So we know angular velocity of AB. We want to find out angular velocity of BC. We know angular velocity of AB. We want to find out angular velocity of BC. How we can find out? So omega AB into length of AB. Omega AB into length of AB will be equal to omega BC into OB. So from the diagram you have to measure the distance between OB. Okay, if you measure the distance between OB, you can find out. Already in the question itself they give the omega AB value. Measure the distance between A and B. Measure this distance. Okay, and then measure this distance. So you can get omega BC value. You want to find out the omega CD value. You want to find out omega CD. Okay, you know omega, now you know omega BC value. Okay, put omega BC here. Okay, on this side put omega CD. Okay, now length of CD. Length of CD. Now this length, OC length. From the diagram you have to measure this OC length and you have to write it here. From the diagram you have to measure CD length and you have to write it here. We know omega BC from the previous step. So we can find out omega CD. Now we will solve a problem. So here they given a pin jointed 4-bar mechanism. We will see the mechanism now. AB length is 300 mm, BC length is 360 mm, CD length is 360 mm, and AD length is 600 mm. So according to the dimension, if you want to use scales, you can use scales. Okay, for example, you are while drawing you are reducing this dimension, means equally you have to reduce the dimension for all the links. Instead of drawing 6 centimeter line, 600 mm means you have to draw 60 centimeter line, but in the sheet you can't draw 60 centimeter line. So in the sheet you can draw 6 centimeter line. Okay, if you draw 6 centimeter here, means here you have to draw 3.6 centimeter. Here you have to draw 3.6 centimeter. Here you have to draw 3 centimeter. Okay, so if you are using scale, means you have to use a scale in all the dimension. Okay, same scale should be used in all the dimension. Okay, so according to the dimension you draw the 4-bar chain mechanism. According to the dimension you draw the 4-bar chain mechanism. So they will give the in the problem they have given the speed of crank AB. They have given the speed of crank AB. Speed is 100 rpm. So omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. Omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. So substitute the 100 value here. I want to find out the omega of AB. Okay, so omega AB equal to 2 pi n by 60. So we will get answer 10.47 radian per second. Okay, keep it with you. Now we will find the instantaneous center. Keep it with you. Now we will find the instantaneous center. So 4 links are there. Write 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the links name. Consider this as consider this as 1. This as crank as 2. This is 3 and this is 4. Okay, 4 links, write their names. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will mark the center. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Before that use that formula. Capital N equal to N into N minus 1. Capital N equal to N means number of centers. Capital N equal to N into N minus 1, where N is 4. There are 4 number of links, no? So N is 4. So 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. The final answer is 6. So there are 6 instantaneous centers. Now draw this tabulation. Write number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 and 2, 1, 2. 1 and 3, 1, 3. 1 and 4, 1, 4. 2 and 3, 2, 3. 2 and 4, 2, 4. 3 and 4, 3, 4. So how many centers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 centers. Okay. Now draw the circle. Now draw the circle and mark 4 points. Mark 4 points on the circle. It's your wish. There is no dimension for this. Okay, circle, your wish. You can draw circle with any radius. It should fit inside the sheet, and while we are looking it should be very neat. That's all. Okay, so draw a circle, mark 4 points. Mark 4 points. Connect 1 and 2. Connect 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 connecting point is 1 2. 1 and 2 connecting point is 1 2. You have written here in the tabulation, put the tick mark. 1 2 is over. Next, connect 2 3. Connect 2 3. So where is 2 and 3? This is 2 and this is 3. While connecting 2 and 3, this is the joining point. So in the tabulation, tick it. Now 3 4. Connect 3 4. Where is 3? This is 3 and this is 4. While connecting 3 4, we will get this point. So I 3 4. In the tabulation, put the tick. Now connect 4 1. That is 1 4. Where is 1? This is 1. Where is 4? This is 4. So connecting point of 1 4. So this is I 1 4. Okay. So we got 4 centers. Still we have to find out 2 more centers. That is 1 3 and 2 4. We have 2 more centers. 1 3 and 2 4. Okay. Connect 1 3. Connect 1 3. See, I am drawing again here. One, two, three, 4. So connect 1 3 with the dotted lines. So I have connected 1 3 with the dotted lines. See, above this dotted line, you can see a triangle. What is a triangle? 1 2 3 1. 1 2 3 1. This is the triangle. Okay. So 1 2. Where is 1 2? This is 1 2. Where is 2 3? This is 2 3. So 1 3 should be on this line. 1 3 should be on this line. So extend this line with the dotted lines. In the downward direction also extend it. See, I have a picture. This is an answer picture. That's why I know where the center is. But before drawing this line, I don't know where is the center. So you have to draw a line on both sides. Before drawing this line, I don't know where is the center. So draw lines on both sides. Okay. Use pencil and draw light lines. Don't draw thick lines. Very light. If possible, use H pencil. Don't use HP pencil. Okay. Use H pencil and draw light line. Very light, very thin line. Only you can see that line. Even if I am correcting the paper means I should not see that line. Like that. Draw a thin line. Okay. Draw a line on both sides. Right. Now similarly, in the downside of the line also we have a triangle. Okay, what is the triangle? 1 4 3 1. 1 4 3 1. That is a triangle. Where is 1 4? This is 1 4. Where is 3 4? This is 3 4. So 1 3 should be on this line. Okay, now extend this line. Already we have drawn a line to find out 1 3. Now we have drawn second line to find out 1 3. So both the lines are meeting at this point, and that is 1 3. So we got 1 3. So we got 1 3. Now connect 2 4. Still 2 4 is pending. So connect 2 4. So so 1 2 3 4. Connect 2 4. So in the upper side of the 2 4 we have a triangle. We got a triangle. See, this is a triangle. Upper side of the 2 4 there is a triangle. Okay. So what are the sides of the triangle? 1 4 2 1. 1 4 2 1. Where is 1 4? One second. Let me erase the old things. So where is 1 4? So this is 1 4. Where is 1 2? This is 1 2. So the third center 2 4 will be on this line. Just extend this line. Okay, extend both the side. Okay, extend both the side. It will be on this line, but I don't know where it is. Okay, so on the downside of the 2 4 I can draw one more triangle. On the downside of the 2 4 I can draw one more triangle. So what are the sides for the triangle? 2 3 3 4 4 2. That is the sides. Where is 2 3? This is 2 3. Where is 3 4? This is 3 4. So now 2 4. It should be the extension. Already we have drawn a line for 2 4 and extend that line and extend this line also. So both the lines meeting at this point, and that is 2 4. And that is 2 4. So now we got all the 6 points. Now we got all the 6 points. Now we will move to the calculation side. So already we got omega AB. Okay. So I want to find out the velocity of the question. What is the question? Locate all the instantaneous centers. Okay, we have located all the instantaneous centers. Find the angular velocity of the link BC. For this link BC, we have to find out the angular velocity. That is the question. For this link, we have to find out the angular velocity. How we can find out the angular velocity? Okay, how we can find out the angular velocity? That is very simple. First, find the angular velocity of AB. They were given the speed. Speed value is, in the question they were given the speed value. Speed of the crank. Speed of the crank is 100 rpm. Speed of the crank is 100 rpm. So omega AB equal to 2 pi n by 60. Substitute the n 100 instead of n. Okay, so 2 pi into 100 divided by 60. So the answer is 10.47. 10.47 radian per second. Okay, the answer is 10.47 radian per second. So we got, see, if you know the velocity or angular velocity of AB, using that you can find out the angular velocity of BC. If you know the angular velocity of BC or velocity of BC, using that you can find out the velocity of CD and the angular velocity of CD. In all the cases, they will give the speed value of n. Speed value of n in all the cases they will give. that is speed value of AB. Whatever the mechanism may be, they will give the speed value of the crank. Here crank is AB. So if they are given the speed value of AB, we can find out angular velocity using that. If you know the angular velocity of AB, you can find out the angular velocity of BC. If you know the angular velocity of BC, you can find out the angular velocity of CD. If you know one end, you can find out the answer for the successive end using that. This is the method. Before that, you have to draw the instantaneous center diagram. Okay. So now we got angular velocity of omega AB. So velocity of AB or velocity at point B. Velocity at point B is equal to angular velocity into link length. Angular velocity into link length. Angular velocity into link length. Okay, angular velocity is 10.47. Link length is 0.3 meter. 300 mm. We have to put everything in meter. Okay, so while doing calculation, you have to keep everything in meter. While doing calculation, you have to keep everything in meter. So 10.47 into 300 mm, that is 0.3 meter. So the final answer is 3.14. Okay. So we got the velocity of B. Now you need the angular velocity of BC. You know the velocity at this point. Velocity at this point is 3.141. You have to find out the angular velocity of BC. So we know that velocity equal to angular velocity into length. Angular velocity of BC into length. What length? This length. Length from this point to this point. You have to measure this length. So if we measure means we can get around 500 mm, that is 0.5 meter. So put that value inside. So you will get omega BC. Okay, this is how you have to solve the problem. We will solve one more problem in the next video. I hope you understood the last problem. Now you can solve this problem. Try solving this problem. Okay, I have given the answers for the problem. You have to find the relative velocity of. You have to find out the angular velocity. You have to find out the angular velocity of BC and the angular velocity of CD. Okay, you have to find out the angular velocity of BC, omega BC. You have to find out omega BC. You have to find out omega BC and you have to find out omega CD. Omega BC is 0.63 radian per second. The answer, final answer. Omega CD will be 0.65 radian per second. Very easy. First draw this space diagram according to the dimension. Okay, AD length is 125 mm. AD length is 125 mm. If you have a large sheet means you can draw 12.5 centimeter line. No problem, you can easily draw 12.5 centimeter line. And AB value is 62.5 mm, that is 6.25 centimeter. 6.25 centimeter. I hope you will have protector in your hand. So first draw line AD. Use protector. Take angle 60. Mark the angle 60, and then draw line AB with the length of 6.25 centimeter. After drawing AB, the BC and the CD value is 75 mm. That is 7.5 mm. 7.5 mm. I hope you will have a compass in your hand. Take 7.5 centimeter in the compass. Okay. Take 7.5 centimeter in the compass. Keep the compass on point B and put an arc 7.5 centimeter 5 arc. Take the compass, don't change the reading, have the compass on point D and draw another arc. This arc should cut the previous arc so that you can get point C. Okay. Now join BC and join DC. You got 4-bar chain mechanism. Okay. After drawing this, draw the tabulation. Before that, find the number of instantaneous centers. Capital N. You know the formula. Capital N equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. N into n minus 1 divided by 2. N is number of links. So how many links are there? 4 links. So 4 into 4 minus 1. 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. So you will get 6. The n value will be 6. Okay. Then similar to the previous problem, draw this table. Here in this problem also we have 4 links. So write 1 2 3 4 and write these things 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 and then 3 4. Okay. Draw this tabulation and draw this circle. Draw this circle and mark 1 2 3 4. Mark 1 2 3 4. So if you mark 1 2 3 4 means where I12 will be there. So this point 1 and 2 joining. So this is I12. So connect line I12, then put tick mark here. Okay. Then 2 3. So this is I23. So connect 2 3. Put tick mark here. Next 3 4. Connect 3 4. So yeah. Where is 3 4? 3 and 4. So this is 3 4. So this point is 3 4. Next will be 1 4. I14. Okay. So still what we have to find out? Still we have to find out 1 1 3 and 2 4 we have to find out. Okay. Still we have to find out 1 3 and 2 4. Okay. So watch a previous problem video and you can easily find out. Okay. I think it will be like this. It will be like this. I hope it will be like this. And you will get the center here at this place. So I 1 3. I13. Similarly I24, no? I24 will be, I hope it will be like this. At this point you will have I24. See, I just drawn the rough diagram. Okay, you just see the previous problem. You just go back and see the previous problem and see how I have solved. Okay, same method you have to use. Same method you have to use. First find out first of all find out omega AB. For calculation, simple method is there. Simple method. What is simple method? We know omega AB. Omega AB means I'll tell you a simple method. Okay, omega AB. Where is omega AB? They have given the AB speed value, that is 10 rpm. 10 rpm means 2 pi n by 60, that is 2 pi into 10 by 60. So you will get omega AB value. Okay, you will get omega AB value. If you got omega AB value, we can easily find out omega BC value. How? See, very simple. Omega AB. We know omega AB value. Okay, write omega value, AB value this side. We want to find out omega BC value. I will tell you one more shortcut. Okay, we know omega AB value. We have to find out omega BC value. We know omega AB value. We have to find out omega BC value. Very simple method, I will tell you. Okay, in the previous problem, I tell you one more method. Okay, that is straight method. But now I will tell you a very simple method. Very simple method. You know omega AB value. You go to find out omega BC value. Okay. First of all, put I here. Omega AB. AB means A is 1 and B is 2. 1, 2. So, okay. So, omega AB value you know. So, here you have to write. So, this is the known value. And here you have to write. So, here first fixed link number. Fixed link is what? 1. Here you have to write a fixed link number. Fixed link is 1. சரியா? Which value you know? You know the value of 2. You know the angular velocity value of 2. That you have to write here. Next, here you write the known values number. And what you have to find? You have to find the angular velocity of number 3. Write it here. Okay. Similarly, here also put 2 i's. Okay, put 2i. Put 2i. Here also put 2i. First, write the fixed link number 1. Then, which link you have to find out the angular velocity number 3. That you have to write. Okay. Once again, you have to write the same number here. That's all. Okay. So now what is this meaning? Omega AB means this value. Sorry. What is I12, I23? This is the, where is I12? This is I12. Where is I23? This is I23. This is the distance between I12 and I23. You have to measure the distance between I12 and I23 and you have to write that here. Okay. From the diagram you have to measure the distance. Similarly here, omega BC, you have to find out omega BC. What is I13? I13, I23. This is I13. This is I13. I23. This is I23. So you have to measure distance from I13 to I23 and you have to write the distance here. So now you know the value of omega AB. You know this distance. You know this distance. So we can get the value of omega BC. Okay. I hope you understood. Similarly, I got the value of omega BC. I got the value of omega BC. I got value of omega BC. I have to find out the value of omega CD. I have to find out the value of omega CD. Same thing, similar thing. I know this value, I have to find out this value. Okay, I know omega BC value, I have to find out omega CD value. Write like this. Put 2i here. Put 2i here. Here also put 2i. Okay. So now here, first you have to write fixed link number 1. Then, what is this link BC? What is this link number 3? Write that number. Okay. Now I know the value of BC. BC is number 3. Write that number again. I have to find out the value of CD. CD is number 4. CD is number 4. I have to write that number. That's all. Here, write the fixed link number 1. What is CD? CD is number 4. Write that number. Okay. Now second I. Second I, you have to write the same thing here also. 3, 4. That's all. So, first in the first step, first you have to find out the omega AB value. Omega AB value is 2 pi n by 60. N value is 10 rpm. They are given in the question 10 rpm. Put that here. So you can get omega AB value. After getting that, you have to find out omega BC value. If you know this, if you know the omega value of this link, you can, using that you can find the omega value of this link. If you know the omega value of this link, using this you can find out the omega value of this link. Okay. So first you got the omega value of second link, omega AB. Now write the omega AB this side and omega BC this side. Put 2i here and put 2i here and put number 1, fixed link number, and which link is this? Number 2. So put number 2 here. Number 2 again, and which link you are going to find? Number 3. Put it here. Similarly here, first number 1, then which link you are in? You are in the third link, so now put number 3. Which link you are, again you repeat the same number here. That's all. Same step you have repeated here also. I hope you can solve this problem. Okay. For doubt, refer the previous problem and solve this problem. Okay.